How to fix blurry highlights on Instagram, step-by-step guide. Are your Instagram highlights looking blurry and ruining your profile's aesthetic? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry highlights on Instagram, step by step. First, make sure the image or video you're using is high quality. Instagram compresses files, so if your image is already low resolution, it will appear even blurrier. Tips. Use an image with at least 1080 by 1920 pixels, Instagram's recommended size. Avoid screenshots, as they lose quality. Next, save your images in the right format. Use PNG instead of JPEG for better quality and less compression. Instead of adding your highlight cover directly, first upload it to your Instagram story. Once it's live, then add it to your highlights. This reduces compression. Go to Settings, Data Usage, and turn on high-quality uploads. This ensures your photos and videos are uploaded in the best possible quality. To avoid unnecessary compression, resize your images to Instagram's exact dimensions before uploading. You can use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Snapseed. If your highlights still look blurry, use an editing app like Snapseed or Lightroom to slightly increase the sharpness before uploading. And that's it. Follow these simple steps to fix blurry highlights on Instagram and make your profile look professional. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.